You ever feel like there's something holding you back from getting the girls you really want? Well, chances are it's all in here, and today we gonna fix that. What up, homie? My name's Dave, and I put out new videos every Tuesday and every Friday to help you get the girls you want and become the man you're meant to be. And whew, it is a brisk morning over here in Mexico City. It's kind of funny, right? It's always like very warm during the day, like 70, 75 degrees. But the morning is always cold. But I kind of like it. It gives you that extra little jolt and you're ready to go. But anyway, if you're not getting the girls you want, it's probably because your belief system sabotages you. See, there's certain beliefs that alpha males have about women that propels them to get the hottest and highest quality girls consistently. And it's those alpha beliefs that make them unstoppable. And bro, once I started internalizing these beliefs, my success with girls skyrocketed. Today, you're gonna learn what these beliefs are so you can start internalizing them and become unstoppable too and get those girls you really want. Let's get into it.
We've got nothing here to save us from ourselves.
So this one is simple, man. It's deciding to take control of your dating life and not play the victim. And listen, man, I know it's very easy to play the victim. Like, you look at a guy who's good looking, a little bit taller, he's got good style, he's, traditionally good looking, and you see girls kind of flock to him, and you think, man, if only I looked like that dude, it would be easy for me. But you gotta realize, it doesn't matter what anybody else has, what anybody else was born with. You have what you have, and you gotta play the cards you've been dealt. And that's okay. Not having the things some other guys have is actually a good thing. Like, it can give you that edge that forces you to, improve your game, improve your communication skills, and say, nah, I don't need to be given anything. I'm gonna take what I want in this life. And that's what you gotta do, man. See, all my life, I've had friends who are taller than me, better looking than me, funnier than me. And I didn't look at these guys and say, well, I guess I'm just never getting laid then. No, what I did instead was decide, hey, I'm gonna use this to my advantage. I'm gonna improve in the ways that they're not even thinking about improving, and I'm gonna take what's mine. See, if you don't take responsibility for your dating life and you have this woe is me mentality, then you're only gonna get what is given to you, and that is usually the scraps. So it doesn't matter what your situation is, and it definitely doesn't matter what your excuses are. What matters is deciding, like, hey, this is what I want, and this is how I'm gonna get there, and I'm not gonna let anybody stop me. And that's really the first step to internalizing this alpha belief that you are responsible for your dating life, right? It's just figuring out what it is you want, creating a plan to get there, and not playing the victim, because victims, they ain't never get the girl they want.
Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, Oh, baby, I love
This one's all about fully believing that women love sex and also want to have it with you, right? A lot of guys look at sex like it's something the girl is giving to them, something she's allowing you to do to her. But that's the wrong way to look at it, right? The way you want to look at it instead is it's an experience y'all are enjoying together, and she wants it just as much as you. See, once I started kind of believing this and internalizing it, I really started to see it more and more. Instead of being like, man, I don't know if she wants to kiss me, I don't know if she wants me to make a move, it went to, of course she wants it, it's just a matter of when. And this caused me to make more moves and get a lot more action with girls. Now, I will say that this comes with a caveat, right? You have to respect women, and if she doesn't feel comfortable, you gotta pull back. That's common sense. You don't wanna be trying to be super aggressive when she's not into it. Now, with that said, knowing that women love sex takes the shame away from making a move. It takes the shame away from trying to hook up with a girl. And that's because she loves sex with the right guy. And if you're thinking, man, I don't know, like, do women really love sex? Do they really like it as much as men? But look at the facts, man. I mean, most girls have had one night stands. They go on vacation, they probably sleep with a guy. They love 50 Shades of Grey. Women are sexual beings, and that's completely fine. Like, they're humans, they love sex too. That's great. And the more you internalize this belief, the more hookups you're gonna have, and the more you're gonna see how much girls really do enjoy it, and it's gonna open up a new world for you.
You and I, yeah, you and I, still got the vibe, still got the vibe. Yeah, you and I, yeah, you and I, still got the vibe, still got the vibe.
It's breakfast time. I got a Yuki, my head chef over here. What are you making?
Eggs,
Eggs and what?
bacon.
I've said it before and I'll say it again. This is why you want to have a girlfriend that's really good at cooking. But yeah, man, by this, I mean assuming girls are attracted to you until proven otherwise. If you think about, the typical alpha male, he sees a girl, there's no question in his mind if she's into him. Of course he's into him. The only question is, does he like her? Reality really does affect your beliefs, man. When you assume girls are into you, you notice more girls checking you out. You're more aware of the signs they give you, and you're more likely to make a move at the right time instead of holding back, being like, I don't know if she's about it, man. But how do you develop this belief that girls are attracted to you until proven otherwise? Well, whenever you're walking down the street, down a sidewalk, or into a bar, say to yourself, man, every girl in here wants me. Assume girls are checking you out, and if you see that cute girl walking by, there should be no doubt in your mind that she about it. And if she's talking to you, assume it's because she's into you. That way, instead of hesitating because you're not sure if she's into you, you're gonna make the move, you're gonna be more confident, and you're gonna feel a lot better about these situations.
I wake up, flex, thumb down that check. No drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first die. Stretch.
Another great way I like to start the day is with a nice little coconut milk coffee. Is there coconut milk in this?
It's coconut oil.
Coconut oil, coffee, Yuki blends it up. Shit is fire. Wakes me up, gets me going. But yeah, man, alpha males believe that they have what it takes to attract any girl, and they don't believe that any girl is out of their league, even if the girl is up here rocking some hot pink and cooking some steak and eggs. This belief helps you to go for girls you wouldn't have otherwise tried for because you thought you weren't good enough for them. It also helps you to stop self-sabotaging when you do talk to these kind of girls. And that's because instead of asking, man, am I enough? Instead, yes, I am enough, and I'm gonna show this girl a great time. Now, to develop this belief for yourself, it really helps to always be building a life that you're proud of, having good habits, working on something you care about, and doing things that you find exciting, because otherwise, you're not gonna have a life that you wanna invite girls into, and it's gonna be a bit harder. So, do those things, and realize, yes, you are enough. And boom, it's steak and eggs time.
It's on it or in it?
So,
But it's in or on?
I don't know.
Yeah, because there's no bacon on it.
The only thing that matters is that my love for you never dies. And one thing you can be sure of, honey, I'm not telling lies.
So this might be the biggest thing that sets alpha males apart from the rest, and it really comes down to genuinely loving women. See, one of the biggest things women can feel immediately when they talk to you is your energy and your vibe. If you get good energy, boom, she's gonna be open, she's gonna be perceptive, and you're gonna have a good chance. But if you have this negative Nancy, Jimmy Jamoke energy, then of course she's gonna reject you right out the gate because she doesn't want any part of that. And a big part of that energy comes down to how you feel about women and what your intentions are. And when you can genuinely love women, your intentions are always gonna be good. You're gonna want the best for the girl that you're talking to, and you're gonna kind of go up with the mindset that like, hey, after I'm done talking to this girl, her day is gonna be going better, or her night is gonna be going better for having talked to me. Now, I'm the first to admit that women can be a little crazy sometimes and say some crazy shit from time to time. Ready, Yuki?
What do you mean?
You know what I mean? But accepting the good with the occasional craziness, that is all part of loving women. And the big thing is, man, when things don't work out the way you want it to with the girl, you don't get sour about it. You know, you let go of your past hiccups and you start fresh with every new girl. And not just starting fresh, but also just removing the blame from women and always looking onto yourself and say, okay, if this interaction didn't go the way I wanted it to, what can I do next time to make it better? And in that way, you learn to love the essence of women. You learn to love being around them. You stop yourself from being sour, and you set a strong precedent for good relationships with all the women that you talk to. Now listen, man, these alpha beliefs are great and they really are gonna help you with girls, but the only way they're gonna help you is if you actually go out and talk to girls. Now, if you wanna be able to do that, check out this video right here. In it, I show you 7 daily habits that make it easy to talk to any girl. Let's keep it going. I'll see you right there, homie.